English words are built with sounds, and vowels are the heart of syllables. Without clear vowels, English can be hard to understand. Think about words like sit and seat. The vowel sound makes them different. Learning these sounds well is crucial for clear speech and understanding others. Vowel sounds are made when air flows freely from your lungs passing through your mouth. Your tongue and lips shape your mouth, creating different vowel sounds. Unlike consonants, vowels have no air blockage, which is key to their production. English has many vowels, some tricky for learners. Your language might have different or fewer vowels, making English vowels challenging. For example, the difference between ship and sheep is small but changes meaning completely. Good pronunciation eases communication. We use the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, to describe these sounds accurately. The IPA provides unique symbols for each speech sound, avoiding English spelling confusion. English spelling can be inconsistent. For example, A sounds different in cat, car, and cake. Vowels are essential in distinguishing words and meanings in English. They are the core of syllables and play a crucial role in the rhythm and melody of speech. Without clear vowel sounds, communication can become muddled and misunderstandings can arise. When learning English, mastering vowel sounds can significantly improve your pronunciation and listening skills. It helps in making your speech more intelligible and allows you to understand others better. This is especially important in a language like English, where vowel sounds can drastically change the meaning of words. The production of vowel sounds involves the free flow of air from the lungs through the vocal tract. The shape and position of the tongue, lips, and jaw determine the specific vowel sound produced. This is different from consonants, where there is some form of obstruction or constriction in the vocal tract. English has a rich variety of vowel sounds, which can be challenging for learners whose native languages have fewer vowel distinctions. For instance, the subtle differences between the vowels in words like ship and sheep can be difficult to master but are crucial for clear communication. The International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, is a valuable tool for learning and teaching vowel sounds. It provides a consistent and precise way to represent each sound, which helps avoid the confusion that can arise from English spelling inconsistencies. By using the IPA, learners can focus on the actual sounds rather than being misled by irregular spelling patterns. This can be particularly helpful for distinguishing between similar-sounding words and improving overall pronunciation. In summary, vowels are a fundamental aspect of English pronunciation. They are essential for clear communication and understanding. Mastering vowel sounds can greatly enhance your ability to speak and comprehend English effectively. Whether you are a learner or a teacher, paying attention to vowel sounds and using tools like the IPA can make a significant difference in your language journey. So, take the time to practice and perfect your vowel sounds for better communication. Remember, vowels are not just sounds, they are the melody of speech, the key to understanding, and the bridge to effective communication. Embrace the challenge of mastering them, and you will find yourself speaking and understanding English with greater ease and confidence. The International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, has a detailed chart specifically for vowels. Think of it as a map of your mouth, guiding you through the landscape of vowel sounds. This chart illustrates the position of your tongue and the openness of your mouth, which are crucial for producing the correct pronunciation of each vowel sound. The vowel chart is shaped like a quadrilateral, representing the space inside your mouth. Each corner and edge of this quadrilateral corresponds to different tongue positions and mouth shapes. The top of the chart indicates that your tongue is high in your mouth, which is typical for close vowels. Conversely, the bottom of the chart shows that your tongue is low, which is characteristic of open vowels. The vertical axis of the chart is essential for understanding vowel height. This axis helps classify sounds based on how high or low your tongue is positioned in your mouth. The horizontal axis, on the other hand, shows the backness of your tongue. Front vowels are placed on the left side of the chart, while back vowels are on the right. In the middle of the chart, you'll find the central vowels. These vowels are produced with a neutral tongue position, neither too high nor too low, and neither too far forward nor too far back. This front-back dimension is particularly useful for distinguishing between sounds like E in C, which is a front vowel, and U in tu, which is a back vowel. Another important factor in vowel pronunciation is the shape of your lips. Some vowels, like U in blue, require rounded lips. Other vowels, such as E in meat, are pronounced with unrounded lips. The IPA chart often shows pairs of vowels that share the same tongue position, but differ in lip rounding. This helps linguists and language learners understand the subtle differences between similar sounds. High vowels are made with your tongue high in your mouth, close to the roof. English has several important high vowels, 2 front and 2 back. First, I is a close front, unrounded vowel heard in fleece, sea and machine. Your tongue is high and forward, lips spread. I is a near close front, unrounded vowel, slightly lower than I heard in kit, ship and if. Compare ship, sip with sheep, sipy. Now high back vowels. U is a close back rounded vowel heard in goose, too and blue. Your tongue is high and back, lips rounded. U is a near close back rounded vowel, slightly lower than heard in foot, put and good. Compare Luke, Luke with look, luck. Mid-vowels are produced with your tongue in a middle position. English has several mid-vowels, including front and central ones. /e/ is a mid-front unrounded vowel, heard in dress, bed, and many. Your tongue is mid-height and forward, lips neutral. E is a mid-central unrounded vowel, heard in nurse, bird, and learn. It is a long vowel with a neutral tongue. Schwa is a mid-central unrounded vowel, always short and unstressed, found in about, sofa, or teacher. Is an open mid-central unrounded vowel heard in strut, cup, and love. Low vowels are produced with your tongue low in your mouth, jaw more open. English has important low vowels, including front and back ones. AE is an open mid-front unrounded vowel, heard in trap, cat, and apple. Your tongue is low and forward, lips unrounded. A is an open back unrounded vowel, heard in father, palm, and car. Your tongue is low and back, mouth open. A is an open back rounded vowel, heard in lot, cloth, and stop in RP. Your tongue is low and back, lips slightly rounded. Ow is an open mid-back rounded vowel, heard in thought, law, north, and force. Short vowels are pronounced quickly, without the colon symbol, las, in IPA. These vowels are essential in English pronunciation, and can significantly affect the meaning of words. Understanding and mastering them is crucial for anyone looking to improve their fluency and clarity in English. Mastering them is key to fluent English. Let's dive into some of the most common short vowels and see how they are used in everyday words. I, as in kit, is short, high, and front, heard in pin, live, and big. This vowel sound is very common and can be found in many words. It's important to note the difference between I and the long vowel I, as in seat. /e/ as in dress is short, mid, and front, heard in pen, read, and help. This vowel is slightly lower than I and is also very common in English. It's often confused with the A sound, so pay close attention to the mouth position. AE as in trap is short, low front, heard in man, gas, and back. This vowel is pronounced with the mouth open wider than for /e/. It's a distinct sound that can change the meaning of words if not pronounced correctly. A as in lot, in RP, is short, low, and back with lip rounding, heard in dog, hot, and wash. This sound is unique to British English and is not found in American English, where it is often replaced with the A sound. U as in foot is short, high, back, and rounded, heard in put, look, and full. This vowel is similar to the long vowel U, as in food, but it is shorter and less tense. As in strut is short and central, heard in sun, come, and blood. This vowel is unique to English and can be challenging for non-native speakers. It's pronounced with the tongue in a central position in the mouth. Schwa is always short and unstressed, found in banana. This is the most common vowel sound in English and can be found in many unstressed syllables. It's essential for natural-sounding speech. Long vowels in English are held longer, marked with a colon / in IPA. This length helps distinguish words. I, as in fleece is long, high, and front, heard in see, key, and believe. U, as in goose is long, high, back, and rounded, heard in shoe, through, and group. A, as in father is long, open, and back, heard in car, park, and calm. O, as in thought is long, mid-low, back, and rounded, heard in caught, door, and water. E, as in nurse is long, mid, and central, heard in bird, turn, and word. Practical application is essential for mastering vowels. Minimal pairs are a great tool, differing by one sound that changes meaning. Practice I and I with pairs like ship, sheep, sit, seat, live, leave. Make I short and I long. Practice /e/ and AE with pairs like pen, pan, bed, bad, set, sat. For /e/ the tongue is mid-front, for AE it's lower front. Listening and repeating is useful. Find audio recordings of English words, repeat them, focusing on 1 or 2 vowel sounds per session. Use language learning apps with pronunciation features, read aloud, identifying vowel sounds in words, Ensure short vowels are short, long vowels are long, and use correct tongue and lip positions. Mastering English vowels is a journey requiring time and patience. Clear vowel pronunciation makes a big difference in communication. Keep practicing regularly, even 10 minutes a day helps. Focus on difficult sounds, using the IPA chart as a guide. Listen to native speakers and imitate them. Use dictionaries with IPA transcriptions to connect spelling to sound. Record yourself speaking to identify areas for improvement. Celebrate progress. Every small improvement counts. Learning vowels is like learning a musical instrument, requiring listening and practice. With consistent effort, your English will become clearer and your understanding will improve.